Language setting. Click English. Click OK. Anti-counterfeiting verification. Download the Coldlar app. Use mobile phone to scan the QR code shown on Coldlar wallet. Download and install the app. Click Next after installing. Open the Coldlar app. Click on the QR code scanning function on the upper right corner. Scan the verification QR code of Coldlar wallet. Click Next on the Coldlar wallet. Click Start scanning. Use Coldlar wallet to scan the QR code of the app. The verification is successful. Click Next. Select I agree to the software license agreement. Click Create Wallet. To protect the safety of recovery phrase, please make sure that there are no other people and monitoring equipment around. Click Confirm. English, numbers, and Chinese available. Take English phrases as example. Copy the recovery phrases onto the mnemonic card in the package for backup. After backup is completed, click OK. Verify the mnemonic. Enter recovery phrase in order. Enter the password. According to the format of 8 to 32 characters, including upper and lower case letters and numbers. Repeat the password. Click OK. Set the wallet name. Click OK. Set the date and time. It can be set by manually selecting or scanning the synchronization time QR code of Coldlar app. Click OK. Set the unlock pattern. Repeat the pattern and click OK for confirmation. Input fingerprint by lightly touching the power key. Adjust the contact area. Fingerprint registration completed. Click OK. Select the chain to bind. Select all by default or select it manually. Click OK. Enter the password. Click OK. Open Coldlar app. Click on Bind Now. Select the type of wallet. Click on Scan and Bind. Scan the QR code of Coldlar wallet. Click on Scan Completed. The binding process of the wallet account is completed.